Hello everyone, welcome to another After Effects tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of gold logo in Adobe After Effects. So first, let's create a new composition. I'm going with 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel and 13 frame rate per second. Then I'm going to import all of this file. You can download all of them from the link in video description. Now let's drag the logo to the timeline. Okay, now let's create a composition, and I'm going to apply fill effect and change its color to white. Let's increase its size, and now let's pre-compose and rename it logo comp and move to all attribute. Then let's drag our HDR file to the timeline and pre-compose it, rename it to reflection, hit OK. Now open it, and then apply motion tile to this text and change its setting something like this. After that, back to the main comp and change its track matte to alpha matte. Now select this reflection and let's change a little bit and create a keyframe here. Then go to the last frame and change its movement something like this. Now back to main composition, go to effect presets and let's apply motion tile here, and again search for seeing glass, apply it, and then go to effect and preset and apply CC globalize, and we need to change some setting from here. So increase the softness, now again go to effect and preset and search for fast blur, apply it, and type 2 into the blurriness, and then again go to effective preset and search for curves, apply it. Let's change its curve something like this. Select all of this composition and pre-compose. Select move all attribute into new comp, then hit OK. Now effect and preset, apply bevel alpha and change its edge thickness to something like this. Again go to effect and presets and search for tint, apply it and change the tint color. So I'm going to use this color code to get a gold color effect. Now again go to effect and preset and here search for photo filter and apply it. Then again go to effect preset and search for hue saturation and apply it here, and change hue saturation setting something like this. Make master hue to 0 and master saturation to 35. Now go to effect preset and search for brightness and contrast. Apply it and increase brightness and contrast from here. Now we're getting some nice gold effect here. Now back to the project and let's drag our background video to the timeline and pre-compose it. Rename it BG for background. Hit OK. Now apply draft shadow to the logo. Okay, I'm going to keep these settings for drop shadow. Now select drop shadow and duplicate it. For drop shadow 2, change its opacity a little bit, something like this. Now make the logo effect layer 3D and create a new camera. So I'm going to use 20 millimeter presets and let's animate this camera. Let's add zoom effect. I'm going to speed up here to save you time. So now drag the optical flare to the timeline and change blending mode to add. Now let's create another new solid. Rename it black bar. Now enable title safe action and draw a shape like this. Now click on the invert from here. So here we're getting some cinematic look here. So now go to render and change your video format and hit OK. Now click here, select your output folder and click to the render. So it will start the render your video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure to subscribe and share this video.